And that's what you look right here. Right here, see?
Hi.
You're funny. I'm funny. You are funny. So I bought this for Father's Day present for myself. Kind of random, but I thought it'd be fun to share with you guys, and hopefully you guys enjoy the video. Harrison's gonna be playing next to me. Wife is at work today at Father's Day. And so, you know, I have to improvise and make a video for you guys on this massive pickup. I also did get a couple things from the Adidas employee store, as well as something from Hibbett Sports again. So, first things first, Adidas. This box is thrashed, but I got some Tiro pants, and these have the red, white, and blue stripes on the side. I thought that was kind of cool, especially 4th of July vibes. They actually had a really cool pair that had the reflective stripes, but they only had them in a size extra large. And yeah, so they didn't have them in my size, unfortunately. So I got these ones. Also, this is the last day for the Adidas sale that I've been posting so much on Collective Kicks and on Twitter and Instagram. 30% off friends and family sale. There's a ton of great deals for under $50, $60, $70, $80, $120. The Ultra Boost STs that I just bought are $140 right now. But the sale ends today, so it's definitely worth checking it out. Also, I ended up picking up the wife a pair of sneakers here. This is the Arkin women's. I really like this model. Unfortunately, it's only for women, but I figured I'd hook her up with a pair since they had them in stock in a bunch of different colors, and I got her the white and blue colorway. And then something for you guys, I'm gonna be giving away this pair. A lot of you guys actually mentioned that you wanted to see a video of me doing this again. This is like Father's Day unboxing with the kid playing and making all the noise. So the Durops, the Pride version, you guys said you guys want to see a real detailed video of how I remove the netting on this, and I'm going to do like a full-on video for that. But when I do remove the netting, I'm going to give this pair away. It's a size 10.5 men's. But if you guys are actually interested in buying these ahead of time, today's the day, 70 bucks, and they're yours. I actually paid 65 at the Adidas employee store. For some reason, the price was off. They were 130 on the box price. But you can get them now for 70 bucks on Adidas US. Again, check the link in the description. Solid deal, and I really love the look of these without the net. Yeah, buddy? Where'd the little garbage can go?
I don't know where it goes.
I don't know where it went. Maybe it went on vacation. Maybe we go hide? I don't know. Where did the little garbage can go? Leave a comment in the comment section. And then, epic fail, I got my wife a pair of Tiro pants too. And the hanger said small, but they were a large. And she got these and she's pregnant, 6 months pregnant. Dude, she was like, I know I gained weight, but I'm not that big. I was like, oh no. So that was an epic fail on my end. So I gotta return these ones and get a size small. But I love the colors though. They have the kind of pink stripes on it. They look kind of cool. That's that. Shout out to Hibbett Sports. Check the link in the description. Shop at Hibbett Sports. Most notably though, check out Hibbett Sports app. It's definitely worth checking out. You can actually enter the raffle for that Michigan colorway of the Air Jordan 12s. Hibbett's actually getting them in some stores. So check the app, see if they're available in your area for raffle. It's definitely worth it. Gives you another chance to try to cop. But they sent me a pair of shoes. As you can see, it's a Kobe box. And we have a pair of black and gum sole and gold Kobe ADs. This is like a mid-top version of the AD. These things look real clean actually in hand. But yeah, this is just another one of those shoes I think a lot of people are sleeping on right now, the ADs. And then the next version of the Kobe's I haven't tried yet, but it's one of those ones that is on my list as well. But thank you to Hibbett for sending these my way. This is definitely a really nice colorway. I love black and gum sole. Anytime you can get the combination, it's always a good look. All right, the big, massive unboxing I got for myself. What's up, buddy? You're picking up garbage?
Yeah, but a garbage truck.
Now it's going in the garbage truck?
Yeah.
Cool, man. That's exactly where you should put it. So I treated myself to a big old box right here. And here is the box. So within this big box, we have another big box. And I'm going to take this out and try to get it out here. Yeah, man. Look at this. This is a Millennium Falcon. It's real heavy, Harrison.
Yeah.
Very heavy, see? Real heavy. Let's not open this one yet. I don't want to open this yet, but this is a Millennium Falcon from Lego. And this thing was crazy expensive, but they restocked on Lego. They might actually have them still in stock now. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Harrison, can you say 7,000?
7,000.
Yeah, 7,000 pieces of Legos in this thing.
I
Are you moving in and saying hi?
Yeah.
7,541 pieces. This is a massive Lego. Has to weigh 50 pounds. This thing's so heavy. But I like saw this and I was like, I gotta buy this. But now, problem is that I don't know when I'm gonna build it and I don't know where I'm gonna put it. So if you have suggestions of what to do with it after I build it, leave a comment. Eventually, I think we're gonna buy a new house, and then if we buy a new house, I'll put this in my office. So I'd love to incorporate this in the sneaker room, but there's just no actual room for it in the sneaker room. So, but anyway, I thought this was a fun one to buy. Price point on this is crazy though, more than I pay on sneakers. This was actually $800, which is insane, but I figured it'd be kind of fun to be able to build, and maybe eventually when he gets older, I can build it with him. We'll start off with some smaller pieces first, but this is an absolutely insane thing to buy. I actually was trying to get the Bugatti, and for some reason my card got declined from Lego's website, like it was flagged for some reason. But so then I just ended up forgetting about it. But the Bugatti was $350. It was pretty awesome, but I ended up just getting this instead. So that's my Father's Day present to myself. Happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there. Can you say Happy Father's Day, Harrison? Right here.
Happy Father's Day.
Can you say Happy Father's Day, Dad?
Happy Father's Day, Dad.
Can you give me a hug? Oh, I love you. Thank you, buddy. Can I give a kiss?
Yeah.
Mwah. I love you. Can you say bye to everybody?
Bye, everybody.
See you soon.
See you soon.
He's so funny. All right, hopefully I'll get this video up in time. I gotta finish watching him. I'm smoking some wings. Gonna go to my parents' house and enjoy Father's Day. Have a good Father's Day, everybody out there, and thank you guys for stopping by and watching. Catch you guys for some more new...
Uh-oh, my juice.
Uh-oh, your juice. Just so you know, the wife didn't approve of this purchase. I just ended up buying it a couple days before, so I told her, please don't buy me anything for Father's Day because I already got this coming. And then she saw it, and then she's like, yeah, I'm not getting you anything then because of the price point of this crazy thing. But anyway, sometimes you got to take control of your Father's Day and get something that you want, right? I think she actually ended up giving me a fruit basket, which, like, I love, but I don't think that, I mean, I'd rather have this. But love the wife anyway. Anyway, have a good one, guys. Catch you guys for some more videos soon. Peace, guys.